Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Tingnan mo, ang furniture ng aking kapatid, finished product. At ang ginagawa niyang door is there. It's almost done. He need to finishing it. Yes. And he will deliver it soon. Yes. Yun. Yun lang guys, pinakita ko lang. And one is here. Ayun. Ito yung trabaho ng aking brother. Yes. O, diba? Yun lang guys, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Baka gusto nyo mag-order ng furnitures. Pumunta kayo dito sa backside ng school. Yes, we accept orders. Any kind of furnitures guys. Door, dining tables, marunong siya. Depende sa kung ano yung order nyo at kung magkano, how much your budget of your order. So yun lang guys. Thank you nga pala. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Antaran Furnituran. Kung sino, hanapin nyo ay Monito Antaran. Yes, bye!